To get the perfect tomato stew is not hard. Now you dey overtake am. In this stew, I use only fresh tomatoes. I did not use anything tomatoes or puree or anything. The secret to getting the best perfect tomato stew is enough oil. Use enough oil. If the oil is too much after cooking the stew, you can scoop it out. I always start first by adding all my aromatics. I added bay leaves, I added fresh curry leaves, onions, and I allowed it to fry for some time before I added other things. If you want to get the best perfect tomato stew, you just have to be patient. That is, you have to just take everything step by step, no need to rush. My tomatoes, I just parboiled it and roughly blended it. I did not blend it smoothly. That is my choice. You might choose to just blend your own smoothly. Depends on what you like. But me, I like my own when it is rough. Even though I have previously parboiled my tomatoes, I still fried it enough. Like I made sure I fried it till the oil started floating on top. You can see it now. So I made sure I fried it very well before I then added my tatashe, onions, ginger, garlic. I blended all of them together and I added it back to the stew. No need to fry this one for a long time since it doesn't have any sour taste or something. I used four I used 5 seasoning cubes. You can use as much as you want. Just make it to your own taste. When you are adding salt, remember that seasoning cubes have salt already. So avoid making a salty stew. Add a little salt, test it and adjust it. So a quick fun fact, even though many people are against using crayfish in the stew, I use it sometimes. You can try it if you like the taste. Continue using it, but honestly, it elevates the taste of your stew. I don't use it every day. If I'm craving it, I'll put it. But if I'm not, I don't used to use it. So I did my mistake and I forgot to add this jama at the first time initially, so I added it. And for my protein, I used fish and goat meat. I roasted the both of them. I used it and the taste of these two protein. God, I beg. It is nose blinding. I added more curry leaves for extra scents, and yeah, that was it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more easy recipes and motherhood talks. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.